Hello everyone. Today, in this video, I will show you how to read sell indicators on the WeBull application so you can time your trades more effectively. So now let's get started. First, we will need to open the WeBull app and go to the stock you are interested in. Tap on the indicators option to access technical analysis tools like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. The relative strength index helps you spot overbought or oversold conditions. So when RSI is above 70, it's a potential sell signal as the stock may be overbought. The MACD indicator shows momentum. If the MACD line crosses below the signal line, that is another sell indicator you can use to confirm your decision. And that is how you read sell indicators on the WeBull application. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.